Hello, everybody. What's up? Oops, I have the wrong animal. Here we go. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Animal Jam world, just how everything is, and my den, just what I like about Animal Jam now. I'm not a member of it, but it's just basically what you can do in Animal Jam that you don't have to be a member to do all these cool stuff or to decorate your den really cool. Like I said, in the wrong den. Again, sorry about that. Let me get to the right one. Okay, so when you first walk into my den, you'll see these beautiful flowers, which, like I said, I'm not a member, so I got this. I'm gonna be showing you guys where I got all these things later, but I got all of this at the store. I got this bike. Oh, these books right here, I use codes for, and I'll be telling you guys the codes in the description. So if you guys want to use the codes to get these books right here, you can. And I don't know if the codes are still gonna be valid by the time you use them, but they should work. And here I got this table. I also got it for like 200 gems, I think it was. Over here I have another flower. I have these two video games, which surprisingly I didn't use codes for. I just went to a store where they had like games and it was for sale, and you didn't have to be a member for it. Everything you see here I got as a non-member. Okay, so I got these two tall grasses right here. I got this flower, and my sister copied my room. This right here, this area, it was all purple, but my sister copied it, so I had to excuse my language, switch it to orange and yellow, whatever I could get it. I have this couch. Like I said, this couch is free, but it still looks nice. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my, oh, I have to show you guys this. I also have this backpack. It's a panda power backpack. I used a code for that, which I will be trying to find and leaving it in the description. I also have this other backpack. It's a play wild backpack. It's really cool. Now these things are here. Like I said, I'm not a member. I had like a table, and this person that was a member traded it in for me for these two items. Now I can't use them. I have to be a member to use them. So I'm just trying to trade it for something. I don't know. This one's really rare. But yeah, and this right here is my pet. I have another animal, as you guys could see. It's this seal, I think. I'm not sure what this is. Leave in the comments if you know what it is. And I have another, it's a sunken ship. You can buy this as a non-member. So far all I have is this, because I just finished decorating my other other home. So yeah, I have to work on decorating this, but I will show you guys how I decorated this, definitely. So if you're wondering how you get another animal, all you have to do is click on this icon right here, switch animals, and then it should say add animal right on here. Now you can't add other animals if you're not a member, but you can only have two. This one's my favorite. I obviously have this one decorated more. So yeah. Okay, so back So to add another den, all you have to do, you obviously have either, if you're a sea creature, then you'll obviously have your sunken ship. If you're an outer animal, nature animal, I can't think of the name, you will have the small house. So I'm just gonna play a game for you guys real quick, so you see what game I have. I'm gonna go on easy because I've never played this before. So what am I supposed to do? Oh, okay. I see what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Let's obviously like that. Oh wait, that works too. Like that. Okay. Yep. Alright, so this level. Honestly, I'm kind of good at this. Okay. And then you get gems. Okay, so that's the first two. I'm gonna leave the game and I'm gonna try the other ones. Okay, so now this other game, oh, I have to move to the side. Whoa, wait, well, how do I move? Oh, like this. Okay, wait, I'm gonna have to start this over because my screen fell to the bottom. Let's get this one. Jump. I'm gonna try to go for the jumps. So I have to get all the way to the top. I don't know if I'll get all the way to the top, but it'll probably take a while to get to the top. So I'll try to get ready. Or maybe I'll film another YouTube video where I'm trying to get to the top. I don't know. Okay, I'm kind of good at this. So I'm gonna just jump off so we can jump right back into the video. Oh, I like that. That should be my intro. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this game, and this is my den tour. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like in this video if you liked it or not. If you want me to make another video showing you guys all the codes I used for this, like the book codes or the website that I went on to get the codes, I will make a video showing you guys that. Or if you guys want me to show you where I got these two machines and these flower things that I don't know why. I know the name of it, I just can't think of it right now. But subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I leave a video, and thanks for watching. Make sure you guys add me on Animal Jam. My name is Dream8092. Dream8092, and I will add you guys back. Bye.